friends, my name is Hari Satwani and I am from Past Pages. Today we are at Galtaji. You can see in my background there is Galtaji temple covered by huge Aravali ranges. This temple was made in 18th century by Diwan Rao. Diwan Rao was a courtier of Savai Jai. So he created this temple in 18th century. Today we will talk about its history and mystery. So I want to welcome you to our new documentary that's name is Galtaji. So guys, as you all know, we keep a mystery and history in our every documentary. So we have today also a mystery for you, and that mystery is today a mystery also. The mystery is that in Galtaji there is a head of cow that showers water consistently without a stoppage. So the mystery is that where from the water is coming, nobody knows today. This mystery is mystery. So today we are here to show you this mystery, this history. So let's go to the head of cow to see where the water comes from. So guys, it is believed that a saint named Galvaji spent his full life about 100 of years here in Galtaji. So one day God appeared in front of him and blessed him with this place of worship. So people come in Shivratri and take a dip in the tanks named Kunds, and this is a type of piousness for them. So this is palace of worship given by Rishi Galvaji by the god. So guys, as we talking about Galvaji has remained here for 100 years. He has given his whole life. So a temple by his name was also made at Galtaji. People know Galtaji because of Galvaji because he gave his whole life. So his spirit is here, his soul is here. Because of him the Galtaji is here. Thank you very much.
Galtaji, the temple of God. Pure is water and Shiva is Lord. Mesmerizing looks and admiring power. These kunds are nature's shower. Land of Shrigwala reveals the history. Some are hidden, some are mystery. Gomukh here is water source. You will fall in love, of course. Made in 18th century, a page from past. Natural show here never last. Top of Aravali's proud of town. Monkeys here are famous noun. Sense of creativity can be seen. You missed a lot if you never been. Water comes from head of cow. Where is the source is the mystery now. When I firstly came here, my mind puzzled to see that how can a temple have such beautiful water source and situated at a height where nobody can ever imagine. Monkeys here are like the courtyards of God sent by nature to have a watch on a temple every second. And yes, this is the nature's power that water source here is a mystery today and no one knows from where it's come.